Hi, I'm Surya. I study IT at Wintec thanks to HAV. Studying business analyst, it helps me create a balance between both my past experience in business and my urge to study IT. Applied informatics definitely helped me to blend the career in both business and IT and help propel my career. Living in a vibrant country like New Zealand is honestly what I always wanted. I intend to learn new technologies of IT, which kind of pulled me to come to New Zealand. And I had such a good testimonial from the clients of HAV, which helped me to believe that I am in the right hands. One of the reasons that I choose HAV is I saw a post of Arun Jacob in Quora, and it gave me many insights about how the New Zealand education system works and how immigration works on the whole. So it kind of helped me a lot. My experience with HAV felt like I was in the right hands, and I'm very happy to be a part of HAV family. I miss my family like a lot, but the experience of coming in New Zealand and the experience has been quite amazing. I'm happy to be here. If you feel that New Zealand is for you, then HAV should be your choice.